Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick it off with one of Jamaica's largest banks. That's Scotia Group Jamaica, a dividend consideration coming right up by Scotia. That means that their earnings should probably be hitting the market very soon as well. Remember, they're not on the calendar quarter. They're a little bit there of an odd year, odd quarter when you look at them from a financial perspective. Bottom line here though, the board's upcoming meeting is going to be held on June 9th, 2021, right around the corner to consider a dividend. Now, NCB Financial Group, Jamaica's biggest bank here, trading in their shares. It's a sale here. Two directors selling a total of 1.675 million shares. Quite a bit of shares, but not a gigantic number based on where the share price is and so forth. It happened on June 2nd, 2021. Another financial company, Victoria Mutual Investments, this is a securities dealer company, signing here $700 million loan facility with Kingston Properties, that's KPREIT, 700 million Jamaican dollars. What they go on to say here, they've been in the market quite often now with their earnings, a few other deals, is that this is a deal with real estate investment company, KPREIT, and it's going to be a 13-month bridge loan for the company to complete the expansion of their property portfolio overall. Now, you would recall KPREIT did a deal with Victoria Mutual also 2019, a rights issue of 2 billion Jamaican dollars. That really got KPREIT revving and going back to profitability, or some nice profitability numbers. MPC Clean Energy, we just spoke about them, their earnings report earlier this week, and boom, coming out here, acquisition of an asset. So a deal. We're seeing a lot of companies do this now. Earnings report comes out and an acquisition comes out all of a sudden. Now, what they're saying here, June 1st, 2021, the investment company, which is different than the listed company, has signed an acquisition of a solar park in Dominican Republic, DR, known as Monte Plata, which has a pretty big size. Now, the transaction is expected to close in the third quarter 2021. Once this closes and it's successful, that's going to put MPC Clean Energy in 4 jurisdictions. We're talking about Jamaica, El Salvador, Dom-Rep, and Costa Rica. So talk about being diversified from a geographic standpoint. So huge stuff there. They're starting to give out their EBITDA numbers, as we spoke about in BL this week from the chairman's remarks. So interesting stuff there. Last up, another big time deal. Mergers and acquisitions, low interest rate environment in Jamaica are just happening, whether it's weekly, monthly, quarterly. Tropical Battery here, newbie to the junior market, announcing a joint venture with CAC 2000, CAC 2000. Good to see. We haven't seen CAC too much in the headlines. Good to see them doing something. Now, the joint venture company is going to be called Enervate, no pun intended, probably something in the energy space. The company incorporated April 29th, 2021. It will start to officially offer products and services June 1st, or already this week. Now, the joint formation, or JV, is going to have 50-50% as per a JV between Tropical Battery and CAC 2000. And the JV here is going to be led by none other than Mr. Stephen Marston, the former CEO of CAC 2000. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.